World Cup atangin Ronaldo te an tla a hei New Zealand ron puan dan hi Ronaldo ten tla chi a ti chuanin FIFA World Cup 2026 an ticket man te po hi a man te hi ron tla hiam veng halanin ti ani what til tak ni mo kan react main he kan en ho lokang
tu lai kho vela zirna tha hi zirlai tinin an mamole an nakin hun shil tu poi mo ber ani Mizoram zirna changtlung le tha petrin ikfa University Mizoram chuan management information technology social science le humanities program sanga admission na hong le ta semester tina zirlai ti thaswal te na NJY merit scholarship petrin ania tin force me no le pa ni tan an first semester fee army scholarship 50% discount siam tharpok ani library thatak ba ka computer geography hospitality and tourism laboratory changtlung takom bok zirlai te India rama company le hotel la tak baka foreign placement le internship le puichin anni company thatak taka an zirlai zorwala na munghala nom nual bok experience an nei theinan industrial visit study tour socio economic survey le soft skills training te nei puichin anni thiamna le degree mai baka sortlak ni tura zirlai te chersiam na hun ikfa university a hian admission ronti vero le application form le dutan ikfa university campus turtlang north le city office chanmari baka university website ate ngai ven thei reng ani
ikfa University admission ni lo ti ve theu don ne le tu na zoni kan react na Ronaldo den ta ticket man poron tla hiam dei
The
lo
FIFA
ma
World Cup is entering its business end, but something rather extraordinary is happening off the pitch.
Ordinary chu pangai extraordinary chu pangai pi lam tu na hian asum don lam pang site hi han en lokila FIFA hi mo a football lo a business site hey ticket man chung chang to en
The
don
moment Cristiano Ronaldo's Portugal was eliminated, ticket prices for the tournament collapsed.
Kakani mai su lu vet mo Ronaldo den tlatia ticket man po tang hiam ha roi mai ni ticket man ron tlom ngal vek mai
Thousands of fans started selling their seats. Just tells you the impact of star presence at any major event, and
thousands of fans started selling their seats poi mo khop mai Ronaldo ten tha Portugal ten tha mi tam tak fans tam tak chuanin ka World Cup zawan te en tour pon nei to lo ti hanin hriani chu wang chuan hetilina ati lantir chian teu pakha chu Cristiano Ronaldo te ang star ro pui lutuk turu buru ton to uchuak ro pui rap thak mangkheng anni me World Cup atanga an tlak chuan ting hianin fans te po World Cup in an chak to lo
isn't just Ronaldo. Lionel Messi's continued presence is still drawing people to screens across the world. Even right here in India's city of Hyderabad, where hundreds of school children stayed up past midnight just to watch him play and create magic. Clearly.
Lionel Messi chung chang po aron soya amaro so kha chu ni dang ria ka tan kan dang.
This isn't just about football. It is about the economy of greatness.
Amaro so thil pakhat sai du chumo Messi tu na la khela ni sin ka ron tol lok cheu ni ka Messi fan sin tam ti ka sia Ronaldo atla chuan tikhan ticket man ron tloma Messi ala omani Messi himo tong thu chelawa tlale ma viau phaise chu Messi le Ronaldo them fans an nga boxi halin te pon nga Mbappe te pon nga tho ma se Messi le Ronaldo te tluk chul la ni chia lo dewa chu van chuanin Ronaldo te kha tikhan tlata atu zana Egyptin Argentina ne dol mo khatia Messi te khan tlale pal se chu mo a business side ang ngai to phei chuan World Cup hlut na kha he tikhanin ron tla duai theiani ti khop hianin Ronaldo le Messi te hianin World Cup economy te po hi an ngong ani.
Here's our next report.
Let's go.
Legends don't just change score lines, they shape an entire tournament. From hotel occupancy, television ratings, and apparently even the price of a ticket.
Di khop mai hotel occupancy ti po himo chan chu Ronaldo tlak chuanin a fan se khanin hotel an chu sananga man ni ram lamai mo an kholaman honga khami kha hotel seat kha ruak teu don ani chu ba ka chuanin rating hi poimo khop mai rating ate po hi stars lian tak enge tiang chi entiran basketball chuanin LeBron te Steph Curry te hamo football chuanin Lionel Messi te Cristiano Ronaldo te ani tlak malu tu kha chuan viewers te po khan tla hi manga khakhanin hemi FIFA World Cup 2026 shima a rating ate po hi a chalo zongin a che zongin a effect heidon mo ti chuan chu mai baka chuanin ticket man thleng hianin ani pahnih chuan ngong ani
One team's elimination advantage.
adi khap mai Ronaldo ta FIFA na commercial a business advantage an nei len ber FIFA hemi World Cup atanga tia akal bom nu kha chuanin FIFA tan po khan sumlak lu tur chu la om thowang amaro chu Ronaldo ina mi aron hip na zong sumaron kentil zong kha kha abo duak don ani mo percent velin ron tlan hiam ani
In just 3 days, the drop was more than 50%.
Relax. Portugal an tak chi khan ticket price kha 30% in ran tlan hiam. Ni thuman veya a ticket price kha 50% in zat ve login ran tlan hiam. Kan hre thiam thai dan tur so na ol samde chon 50% discount in ang veli mo. An tlan hiam chak rem khap mai.
Clearly, the World Cup lost more than a player. It lost the appeal. Even
World Cup khanin Portugal ten tak rol khanin team pakhat kha an chan ani satli lawa mitam takina World Cup an en chak na chana kha an chan
the
telani
semi-finals, the stage every player dreams of, fans aspire to be, have felt the impact.
Forbes page 1 in 60% in atlan hiamaron tiani ngongan na may ticket prices collapsed nearly 60% for World Cup quarterfinal match after USA and Portugal eliminated. USA le Portugal ten tak nu hian ticket price hi 60% velin ron tlan hiam ani.
Resale prices, cheapest ticket now available. Second semi-final, there is a 40% slump from its June 24 peak. The second semi-final has seen a 52% drop with the cheapest ticket now available for less than $3,000. Even the final has seen a 20% drop with the lowest now being priced at a little
Juni somni pali khan aman tlom berakha US dollar sin khat sang khat za som thum pani velanita tuna chonin aman tlom bera chu sang kwa som panga US dollar ni dai toni final ticket price te po hi ron tlan hiam ani bengle lokila heta hian
52% drop with the cheapest ticket.
Hi semi-final khani July ni som panga khel tur mo ta hianin June ni som ni pali thama sa khan ticket man tlom ber kha sanga zaruk somli panga United States dollar ani tuna chuanin US dollar sang ni zasari pariat ani aman tlom ber kha an tan hiam na sa sin
percent drop with the lowest now being priced at a little over $9,000. And almost 50,000 tickets are now available on the secondary market.
Secondary market 50,000 tickets chuang aron omha lui mai ni Portugal le United States ten tamo he chu thil pakhat achana om ve theya United States fans te antam viewin karinga United States an khel miawa chu wang chuan United States an tla to miawa khatiang ani kha chuan US mi le sa te khianin an en pe vak don lo ti a hriat renga an team te an ram te an tlak to chuan mo chu ma chon khi po United States la po kha affector pakhat poi mo de chu ni ve thei thomai.
The number was just over 28,000 when the tournament began, an extraordinary jump from where it started.
28,800 okay. Secondary market khanin ticket tournament tira khan ticket omzat kha singhi sangriat velani secondary market khan mo tisonin Portugal ten tlang nu khanin secondary market ticket hi singa chuang ron mani
just proves that people were never just buying to see a match, they were buying a chance to see I saw Ronaldo.
Ajiang khop mai mitam tegina ticket an leina san kha chu in khel en tur ni lovin Ronaldo in khel ka en tia nakin zela an la in soi thei ve na tura tan khan cricket khan lo lei thina ni ti chiang reng mai
Of
ne.
course these prices will change once the fixtures are confirmed. And Argentina versus England and France versus Spain face off might shoot up the prices again.
Ticket man hi entinan Spain le France in tum memo Argentina le England te in tum ta se chu aman te poron to le thei thau.
But this just tells you the
City in khel en tur te pon ngatinge Hyderabad chau hin ron highlight a news anchor te ke Hyderabad mi le sa ni om tak te po in nu mo kha chiang vi wani Ronaldo te na World Cup football chau ni lo ticket man te ratings te hotel occupancy ti ang zong ha Ronaldo te hian ngong vek mai ani Messi te pon an ngong vek mai ani kha kan react cha ka he video hen ka ron react ani video lai mu lai theu don dia